少啊，寫槍，我先攞位打，即係唔會打向石頭。我出晒。
Ready! Defenders, ready? Remember, when you're hit, you have one more life. Touch any of the 3 white posters and you'll be fine. Sorry, white things. You know, whatever the fuck. Those things. Most of them moving left. Okay, I see some on the left side, at least 2. Far left. Is that far away?
Yeah. Far left. You're a runner. You're left, Michael. You see him?
Yeah, I see him. No sight, no line though. And I just realised the sun is in my fucking eye because it's setting.
Yep, me too.
You're gonna have to watch that left side for me, man. I'll watch your right.
Okay.
Oh, they don't like us much. Watch that left, they're moving.
Yep. You hit?
Yeah, I'm not in a good position. This is a shit box.
I see a head behind the big dome. The head's picking up.
Fucking sun, Jesus.
Someone coming on the left.
I see. In the tree line, left side. Oh wait, that's ours, never mind. Never mind, ignore that. See if it works. Oh, fucking hell. Whoa, hit, hit, hit! Hit! I'm gonna shove that up your ass if you keep doing that, mate. Fucking Jesus. Back in. Back in. Last life. Don't count on it, man. They've got infinite respawns, remember?
Oh, middle. They're shifting left. Two shifting left.
Good run! Damn it. Damn it, the sun is in my eyes. Moving. Left side, they're pushing again. Go on. Oh, got two. Yeah, I like this position. Good run, but next time give me warning, man. I nearly shot you. Ah, damn. Can't get a shot on this guy, but I can see him. Hit! Whoa, nice shot, whoever that was. Dead man.